Stefan is reading. Come on.
Bat, cat, hat, na,
Mat.
what?
Good job. Oh, nag-aaral, nagsusuklay. Homeschool for more. So dito na naman tayo mag-arabo, guys. Ito, kakaayos ko lang yun dahil natumba-tumba. Yan yung sitwasyon eh. Yan yung example dahil sa malakas na hangin siguro or whatever. And ito, I'm still trying to fix this. Make it sturdy. And ayan, fix ko na yan. Ayan pa, ang dami ko pa aayusin. Kaya natumba na yung tent. So ako guys ay ito. Nagapamara. Gigi. Lilinisin ko pa ito. Iiwan ko naman siguro ito sa kasama sa bahay sa pagtinda kasi para meron silang grill. Bibili. Layo ang hantad pa sila piskan ba? O, diba? Mga 1 meter. Ayan guys, it's so sun. So habang ako yung titingnan natin kung dumating na yung lupo natin o tumubo na ulit. Let's see. Dito yun. Wala pa ba? May bato. Hindi pa tumubo ang lupa. Kaya natabunan ng silangoy. Daming silangoy. Wala na. Yep. Silip po. Summer lang naman sa Luzon. Ay, andito na. Silip po. So steam talong. Ayan. Taran. And dito sasawan ng talong. Ayan guys, afternoon snacks namin, cinnamon rolls. It's okay, Daddy. Where is it now? Oh, we're there! They can run fast if they want to. Oh my gosh, rabbit in our yard! Ayan, we just went to the store, come back, they're eating over there. So my tulips are coming up. The violets and whites are here. But tulips coming up, see? Next week maybe, or in a few days, they'll be up. Early. It's only March. Follow me the flag? It's foggy down there. So we are at Belfair. We are going to the girls' dental appointment, and Belfair is so foggy this morning. Ayun guys. Foggy. Ayan, Juliana. No copy. Stephanie waiting for her turn. We're home. Socks? Okay. Leave socks on.
I'm a baby. Wait,
Don't break it.
excuse me? I'm not that heavy.
Whoa.
What? Did it. Are you videoing?
Yeah. I'm trying to see if they can make this in Guimaras.
Can they make it a little bigger?
Like in the property.
I know, but bigger.
We'll see. There's a sandbox. There's a sandbox. Island flavors at Bremerton and good. Again, I got sisig over there. Para hindi na ako magluto. Costco run tayo. Ayan, vouchers and sale. Ayan, pang box. Ayan yung soap. Ayan lang, good luck. Ayan, we're doing picnic out here in our town.
I think this
Playground.
one's definitely smashed.
After maglaro ng golf.
Put it in your bag.
Ayan, it's so sunny today.
Actually, no, I'm not.
So what are we eating?
Fish and chips and fries.
Ah, they're like gold.
Yeah, they are.
And clam chowder.
Okay, one spoon,
Nine.
3 spoons,